Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Humana, and on the large time frame we have started with a 5-wave move to the upside in this wave 1. We followed it up with a 3-wave move in a wave 2 as expected, and now we are tracking our next move to the upside. And within this next move, that may in the end be just a wave 1 of the larger third wave to the upside, but still within it we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1, 2. We have also the third complete here, and we are now tracking the fourth wave that should lead into the fifth wave to take us to new all-time highs. Within this fourth wave, and we have been in this fourth wave for nearly 3 years, we can see that we may have formed an ABC to the downside, with the C wave actually quite near completion. There are multiple ways I could count this. I could count this also as a larger 5-wave move to the downside that would then take us into a B wave and then into a C wave to take us still lower. That is and will be an option until we actually break some levels on the reversal, once we actually get one. But at the moment, my preferred interpretation is that we have this ABC to the downside, and we did even reach the 100% extension for the C wave. The ideal extension for a C wave is the 100% extension of the A wave. But I don't actually see this C wave as complete. We may be nearing its completion, and if I were to provide a count at the moment, I would say that we had a 1, 2 here, a third wave, a fourth, and we are now in a very slow moving fifth wave to the downside, maybe even in a diagonal. Well, most probably. But we do have these levels. I can also provide some more resistance areas. As we can see in this fourth wave, if I were to add the 61.8% extension, as I should, since this is also a 3-wave move in the third wave, we did break it briefly, but I wouldn't necessarily consider that broken, so I would actually consider this wave 4 valid. And for a target, it might actually be pretty difficult to find a good target to provide for this fifth wave to the downside overall. But I can say that maybe we are looking between $210 down to around $189. And looking even closer here, within this fifth wave, I can consider that we had something like this forming, where we had a 1, a 2, and we are now in the third wave that should complete pretty soon actually, and we then may go up in a fourth and maybe a fifth to actually complete. But sometimes we actually only get we skip the last move down, so maybe we get this last new low and actually find new all-time highs directly. Overall, we are in the support zone even now. So yeah, these are the levels I'm looking for, and these are the levels you should be watching, between $254 down to around $103. Below $103 at the 50% Fibonacci retracement, I would actually start considering maybe even something more bearish, but a different count for sure. And yeah, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.